Dr. Shilpa earned her BA with honors from Jesus and Mary College, Delhi University, and was awarded the Geeta Chopra Award for Outstanding Merit. She pursued her master's, MPhil, and did her doctorate from Delhi School of Economics, Delhi University. Dr. Shilpa Khatri Babbar is currently a professor in the Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies. She is the Director of Academic Excellence and Public Relations and Protocol at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, VIPS, and also serves as the Chairman of ICCSH, VIPS. I now request Professor Dr. Shilpa Khatri Babbar to introduce ICCSH, VIPS to the gathering.
Thank you so much, Vani, for this heavy titled introduction. Our beloved Vice Chairman was asking me that, why are you hesitant coming this side? Because the sense of belongingness is actually there. It is you who make us as teachers, and it is not these titles. So what made me feel special today was, as soon as I came down, and this entire gathering was around me, greeting me. Thank you so much for making my day. And in fact, this orientation will always be in my memory because it's very precious to me. Yes, as chairperson of ICCSH, which as the minutes read, I have been introduced as, so I would actually just read out what it is all about. Because it's a legal parlance and somehow I'm not very comfortable with it. So the Internal Complaints Committee Against Sexual Harassment, which is in compliance with the directives of the Honorable Supreme Court, the judgment dated 13th of August 1997 in the case of Vishakha and others, it does speak about having a committee in an institution or an organization which has 10 members. And so do we. We legally comply with the rules and regulations, and I'm sure by now you are absolutely aware of the fact that we are a zero tolerance when it comes to any such kind of harassment, or for that matter, even discrimination. Well, I would like to reshape these acronyms for today, because you read all this and you're going to read it for the other 5 years. I don't stand here anymore as the chairperson of Internal Complaint Committee Against Sexual Harassment, but changing the meaning to the acronyms ICCSH, where I stands for internalizing, CC stands for collective conscience, and SH stands for self-healing. So when I string these words together, I request each one of you to internalize what our Honorable Chairperson just spoke about, collective conscience. Internalize this collective conscience, this sense of belongingness to each other, to this institution, with us. And believe me, that is the road to self-healing. Each one of us, I mean, whether it's been 18 years for you, whether it's been 40, 50 years for us, or even beyond, each one of us throughout our life have injured and have been injured. Some very bizarre, the others still a little healable. But I request each one of you to today sitting here take a pledge. Let your past not mar your future. What happened in your schools, or whatever happened at home, or maybe what you felt while you were on the roads with your friends, try to forgive, try to forget. Because if you're going to carry that, it's going to affect your making. It's going to affect the shaping of your persona. We are here with each one of you, for each one of you. However, we would want your fingers to come ahead, to come forward. And yes, these hands are robust enough to hold each one of you. So therefore, when we tell you to switch on your cameras and sit with us, it is not that we are insensitive to the bandwidth issues which are there in different territorialities, but the only reason is the connect. Past 2 years have actually distanced us from each other. We have been sitting in those 4 walls in front of those cameras for hours and hours. It's easier said than done that online it's very simple, you're working from home. And being the other side, I realize how painful it is when you are struggling from home. Because you are in a particular age where nobody will be able to appreciate you. I must admit, we have also gone through that age. When the parents feel that, yes, we have grown up and so should take up the responsibilities. However, they do not feel that we have grown up enough that we can make our decisions. So it's a dilemma that we all actually face through, and that's exactly the dilemma which I was facing when I came here, stumbling between our honorable chairperson, Professor Emeritus, our beloved vice chairman, and our honorable founder chairman. I actually don't deserve this. I deserve to be right there. But then it is your warmth and it is their love and affection which makes us stand here. So please, dear friends, we would like to share that same warmth and sense of belongingness with you, to help you self-heal yourself, to help you stand up for yourself, to help you grow with us. But the only promise that you have to make is, you will have to make the move. Just one push to yourself, and with the precepts of Swami Vivekananda, we will always stand by you. God bless you so much. Thank you.